May baboy damo. May turtles. Ay, tortoise. And then, merong mga pato-pato. Oops! Peacock! 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 And then, mga ibon. Different kinds of ibon. Ibon, ibon. Yes. Yan. Oops! Wait. Saan tayo dadaan doon? Yes. Ganda dito sa bahay ng aking kabatchmate. Talaga naman. Ooh! One of a kind. There. Ito pa oh, there. Wow! What a big birds. Daming maganda. Then, mga frog pa.
Tagalin yung video ng pagbaba natin.
Oo. Ayan, mga different kinds of birds. Meron na naman kung nakikita. Pababa. Ayan. Oh. Wow. What a kind. Oh, there's a lot of birds over here. Yeah. And here. And here. And here. And here. Ganda ng mga statue. Oh, what a nice place. Oh, there's another. Oh, ito mga ibon. Oh. There you go. Ito, bahay lang to sa Quezon City, ha. Kala mo, nasa ibang bansa ka, diba? Oh, diba? Where's the giraffe? Oh, there you are. Ayan, ang ganda. Bye-bye. Aalis na kami. Oh, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for all the support. Oh, may tortoise. Sa baba na ata. Alis na po.